Welcome to the Paul and Betty Abbott Aviation Center. Located just a few miles south of the LeTourneau University main campus, you will find the Abbott Center on the grounds of the East Texas Regional Airport, which offers a 10,000-foot runway and FAA control tower. The Abbott Center is a 55,000 square foot facility serving as the headquarters for all things aviation and aeronautical science at LeTourneau University. Whether you plan to train in professional flight, to be an aircraft maintenance technician, to operate remotely piloted aircraft, to pursue aviation management, or any other of our nationally ranked aviation programs, this center provides both the ideal location and the expert training that you desire. Ask any student and they will tell you one of their favorite aspects of the Abbott Center is the feeling of family. This is seen through big things like personal relationships with faculty, to the little things like Ice Cream Fridays. Our aviation graduates are known for professional excellence and personal integrity. And in this way, although the Abbott Center is a few miles away, it feels just as much a part of the rest of our Longview campus and the greater global community of LeTourneau University. We can't wait to see you here and see how God uses you to impact the world of aviation.